Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can show your hidden files in MacBook. So let's start. So first of all, what we need to do, we have to click on the spotlight, or if you had to open the spotlight. So here I'm going to search for the finder. So let's write the finder here, and then simply we need to press the enter. After pressing enter, as you can see, the finder is open. Now simply we need to go on that location where we want to show the files. For example, I want to go in the iCloud drives. So as you can see here, currently these two files are provided here. If you want to show, then simply you need to press the command, and after pressing the command you need to press the shift, and then you also have to press the third key, which is called dot. So let's click on this. After pressing this shortcut key, you will be able to see your hidden files here. So I'm going to press this shortcut key here. So after that, so as you can see, simply we have to press the command shift and dot, and after clicking on that, as you can see, all the hidden files are here. If you want to open them, you can also do that. Simply if you I want to open this one, then simply double clicking on this, and I'm going to bake again. As you can see, all the hidden files are here. After doing your work, if your work is completed, then simply you have to hide them again. It can be risky for your device. So for example, I'm going to press the command shift and dot again, and now they are removed. So in this way you can check your hidden files wherever you want. If you want to see the files in application, desktop, and simply you need to move on that place, and after that you have to press that shortcut key. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can check the hidden files on MacBook. So see you guys in the next video.